Merry Christmas and welcome to today's video. I kid you not, it is literally Christmas Day right now, the 25th of December. I got up at 4:30 this morning so I could be here at Gymkhana for a private practice drift day with Oka-chan and the crew. If you don't know, in Japan, Christmas isn't actually celebrated like it is anywhere else in the world. It's not a public holiday, people have to work today. Everything functions as normal on Christmas here in Japan. In fact, Christmas Eve and Christmas night or kind of thing is more of a special date day here in Japan. At least that's how all the companies market it. But it is a completely normal working day and it's not celebrated like it would anywhere else in the world. But anyways, all of that aside, you may be wondering, why is the car jacked up, Sam? We're about to put jack stands on it and I'm about to pull the entire front end apart because I'm going to redo my timing. A lot of you guys probably know we've been having what we think are CAS issues, and I'm a bit concerned that it could actually be that the tensioner has let go a little bit and the belt's a bit too loose. And rather be safe than sorry, it's only going to take me an hour to 2 hours to pull the harmonic balancer off and the radiator out and do all of that and reset my timing. And I'd rather be safe than sorry, you know? So we're gonna redo my timing right here at the track, and then we're gonna go do some shreds. I'll probably be doing a live stream at some point today. I wasn't even planning on filming for the next couple days and just taking a day off, but when you find out you're going drifting literally at like 6 p.m. last night to a private day today and it just all happens, you don't say no to that, especially to free seat time. Like, who does that? Anyways. Hence why I'm also fixing the car here, you know what I mean? Longest intro in the world, let's get into it. So as you would have seen in the time lapse, we've got the car fixed. I actually even found a boost leak, so that probably was adding a little bit more spill time to it. So we got that fixed up. It was only a small one though, so all G now. But I've got everything all sorted out and ready for us to have some fun on the track, so let's get out there. All right, so it's time to give this thing a little bit of a rip now that we fixed it. Skyline feels way more responsive. Hell yeah, I'm keen on this. I'm really keen on this. It feels epic. All right, let's go in with some more speed. So much more responsive, it's insane. Something's wrong with my car. We're making boost really late now. Like, holy crap, are we building boost super slow? Something's not right. Gotta suss out what's going on. All right, so I did another boost leak check and I couldn't find any problem. I think it could be something to do with my wastegate, so I'm gonna go for a quick little rip and see if it's any better. Serious power. Like, we're barely able to make like 0.6 of boost. It's just I'm not making boost where I should be, and that's why it's weird. So either there's something wrong with my turbo, well, I just think it has to be something wrong with my turbo, like the internal wastegate or something like that's mucking up and not letting me produce enough boost. For sure, that has to be an issue. So we'll have to go at it from there. Yeah, like the car feels good, it's just lacking boost. That's all it is. Like I have a lot of low end, mid-range, it's super responsive. I'm just not getting my full 1 bar of boost. So there's just got to be a problem with, I think the wastegate's getting stuck or the internal actuator's messed up. So we're gonna have to just, I mean, I'm rebuilding this whole car next year, but I still want this to, you know, this setup to still be working and good, you know? So, I don't know, we might have to just get a new rehousing. Damn it! Can't get that flick that I want there. I should put my gloves on, that'll help. Alright, so a little bit of low boost isn't going to stop me from having some fun. I mean, we've definitely got issues with the wastegate and the turbo, but what are you going to do? Let's just get out there and have some fun. Car's totally drivable. You just got to work the pedals a bit more with the lower boost, that's all. And it's also like super laggy. Like it's just like driving this thing way before when there was a problem. I'm actually really enjoying the lag and the lack of power because it makes things funner for me how I'm controlling the car to make it do what I want it to do. Makes it more entertaining, you know? I just had a thought, and it kind of makes sense why I was having so many issues at the drift comp the other day with coming back on power after the big entry. Probably because I've been having that issue since then and I didn't even realize it. So, but obviously a good driver's not, you know, a good craftsman's not going to blame his tools. So, you know, I still could have done better if I had more experience and seat time for sure. Not going to deny that. I definitely am not the best driver. But yeah, it's interesting to think that maybe that's why I didn't do so well on the day. Well, I think my tire just not debeaded, but just delaminated itself to all hell. Good times. Should we just send it, lads? I mean, I should probably just check it. We'll just check it. We'll just check it. It sounds pretty gnarly. Just make sure we're not about to just blow a huge hole in my quarter panel. Oh yeah. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my lord. Delamination to the max. Oh, I guess we kind of heat cycled this way too, but it literally looks like it was just stuck on there. I've never seen tires do that before. Hell yeah, wow, there you go. Hopefully that comes through on camera. Oh, we're just gonna send it, I think. I mean, we'll just pull this piece off and you guys want some What are these tires? Zek Novas. You guys want some Zek Nova? Let's get back out there, have some fun. Okay, no. That sounds way too bad. We're gonna stop drifting with these. So we got some of my usual tires on, the cheap $50 ones. $50 265s, you can't really go wrong with them, eh? Let's go. Get some heat. Oh wow, this thing's lacking so much power. It's kind of insane. Okay, so I wanted to test the theory that there's something going on with the wastegate, right? And so what I did was I increased the duty cycle on the Link ECU to compensate and just, you know, added an extra 20% duty cycle to see if we're gonna see any more boost at all. And we're definitely seeing some more on the top end. Hot damn. All of a sudden I have power back, but only in the top end again. So that makes me believe that it's not shutting all the way, that it's getting stuck at a certain point, letting a bunch of exhaust gases through, which is why it's so laggy. Interesting. Oh yeah, it's definitely making like 1 bar on the top end now. Oh! We got some power back, baby. I wonder if it's my boost solenoid playing tricks too. Well, no, that would make sense, I don't think. This is very interesting. Where's my boost going? There's no boost leak on the pressure side, so it has to be the exhaust housing. I mean, we all know that. I'm just gonna shut up now because it's obvious that there's something wrong with my wastegate being stuck open a little bit. There's nothing else that it could be. Has to be that. Kawashima-san, I know you got more than this. Come on, get in the front, get in the front, get in the front. Try and just left foot brake and bake the entire back straight. Let's see if we can do it. Tires are gonna pop next run, I bet you.
Yeah. Airbag, in case you crash.
I can hear it.
A long time ago, you like crashed with this car, right?
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Pankushita.
I told you it wouldn't last long. All right.
Super satisfying.
Got a few there. That was so satisfying. I was just left foot braking and baking. That should be a sticker. Left foot braking and baking. That needs to happen. Oh, there she is in all her glory. Nice and flat. Completely destroyed. Don't touch it, okay? It's really, like, you can touch it with your foot and your shoe, but there's a lot, all that metal's really sharp. It'll cut you up. She did well today. She did well. Well, what a fun day. Cones are all packed up. Time to close the hood. I don't know why I waited till I had the camera out for this, because I'm just resting the hood. Oh, thanks, Dae-chan. You're a champion. All right, hands clear. Are we all good? No tools under here. Always check these days. All right, cool. Hands clear. You ready? Hands out of the way. Don't want to get them stuck. There we go. Skyline bonnets, you just drop them. No, you just send it. Anyways, really fun day.
Yeah.
I got to pop some tires with you. That was fun. Come on, teaching you guys young what you need to do with tires. Pop them. Obviously in a controlled environment at the track, of course. Honestly, yeah. With all the issues I had today, honestly, this thing actually still felt really good. We definitely need to sort out the turbo situation. I'm really now torn between, do I replace the turbo that's on there now and just get another one, like get Mumba to send out another one to replace that one? Or do we just put the car on the side on storage until everything else arrives and we rebuild it all in one hit? I kind of wanted to prove this setup a bit more before we did that, so I'll think about it. Probably by the end of this video, I'll know what I want to do. I was so busy fixing the car today that I really didn't get to show you who's here. Masashi was here getting some practice in and some seat time. He's progressing really smoothly and well. Obviously, I was there. Kawashima-san was here. He was driving that one. You saw us doing some tandems. And obviously his son was here as well, getting some practice in his S15, which has been completely fixed. Both cars completely fixed. Remember, that whole front end was crushed and this whole rear end was crushed. With that, I think I'm gonna actually wrap up the vlog. Like, I don't know, it's Christmas. I wanna go home, I wanna spend some time with May. She's actually really, really sick. Well, she's not sick anymore. She just got out, broke her fever, so she's kind of recovering now. But she just got a really bad cold like 2 days ago, and it kind of just ruined like all the plans we had to do stuff together, see Star Wars and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, hopefully tomorrow she'll be feeling much better and we can do it. She actually really wanted to come today because like Oku-chan's daughter is here and his wife and stuff and all the other kids and stuff. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of like family for us. Anyways, I'm talking too much. It's Christmas. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace out. What do you say?
Peace out.
じゃあまたね。